Chapter 9. Material Assignments. This chapter will focus on applying and modifying surface textures. Zoom in to view the bay. Right-click on the stone texture and select Edit Surface. When the Materials menu opens, double-click on this Stone Natural texture to open the Textures menu. Within this dialog, various aspects of the texture may be altered. For example, moving the ambient slider bar to the right will increase the amount of light reflected off of the selected texture. Select Pick. Select the Bluff Stone texture from the list of thumbnails. Select OK on each of the open dialogs to view the applied texture. To make the stone appear smaller, return to the Texture dialog. Change the horizontal measurement to 3 feet 2 inches. Note that with the Maintain Aspect Ratio box enabled, the vertical dimension will change also to maintain the pattern's ratio of height to width. Select OK in the open dialogs to review the changes. Next, select the brick for surface editing. Once again, select the Pick button and select the desired style of brick. Select OK to review the brick. Return to the Texture Edit menu for the brick and move the Diffuse slider bar to the left. This will decrease the sheen of the texture, resulting in a more matte finish. Access the Edit menu for one of the walls of the bay. Make a note that the wall type is 2x6 stone, and then select the Main Floor tab. Select a garage wall for editing. Currently, the wall type is set to 2x4 and brick. Use the drop-down menu to select 2x6 stone, the same as the walls of the bay. Align the outside of the current wall to the outside of the new wall in the Wall Alignment menu. The garage wall will have the same stone texture applied to it as was applied to the walls of the bay. Use Repeat Edit to apply the same changes to the other 3 walls of the garage. Return to the 3D textured model. Open the Texture Edit dialog for a cast windowsill. Currently, the texture is set to Finished Concrete. Open the Stucco library and select the desired stucco texture. Use the slider bar to increase the relief depth to 65. As mentioned in a previous chapter, the texture will be analyzed and indentations will be simulated to give the appearance of depth. Select OK to review the texture. Now select the roof for surface editing and choose the desired asphalt shingle texture and select OK. Finally, select the Sidewalk for surface editing. Select the desired stone texture and select OK. Notice that the stone texture has a lot of repetition to it. To reduce this repetition, select it for surface editing once more and increase the horizontal dimension to 2 feet 6 inches while maintaining the aspect ratio. This will enlarge the pattern and reduce the amount of pattern repetition on the walkway.